Well, I'm going to be 72 years old, and I was riding my Harley, come around the corner about half a mile from my house after coming home from the dentist, and I noticed a little rock on the road, so I went off the road just a little bit, so I tried to straighten it out, and I turned the motorcycle to the right and stopped, and because I was on the 8% grade, the bike started tipping, and I had my tennis shoes on, and the bike tipped over. Instead of letting it go, I tried to keep it from falling, and it went over on my right ankle. And I pulled my foot out, finally, tried to get up, and my ankle kind of went that way, and I thought, well, I'm gonna try this again. And, oh no, I broke my ankle. And I went into the emergency room here at Aurora. They took x-rays and had a broken ankle and a broken fibula. They put me in a splint, and I think I was in a splint for 5 or 6 days, obviously on crutches. Dr. Scharer was able to do surgery on me and explained everything in detail, what he was going to do when I finally met him, and I was just very confident with the man. Very good bedside manner. And told me when I wake up, I'll have a splint on, and I'll have that on for probably a couple of weeks. And then he will have the professionals that are our BayCare put a cast on me. That cast will be on, I think, for 4 to 6 weeks. I think I had it on for 6 weeks. When Dr. Scharer looked at the incision after they took the cast off, and I asked him, I said, have you ever seen anything that bad? And he said, oh, not even close. He said, you're not even close to what I work on. And I really, that was cute. You know, I didn't know if I was gonna walk again. Dr. Scharer said that everything looked really good. I was given a pneumatic boot when I left the clinic to walk with, and I had to use that for, I think, 4 to 6 weeks, if I'm not mistaken. That would take me up into September, August and September. And at that time I was given, I think 15 to 20 physical therapy sessions. At first it started out with, I think, every other day, 3 a week. And then it went down to 2 a week. I also was doing water therapy at the pool. And that seemed to help. Doing exercises under the water, standing on the ladder and pulling myself up and just putting a lot of pressure on that foot and really trying to get the motion of the foot back to normal. That seemed to help too. But yeah, I was worried I couldn't walk again, but I'm walking.